Helen here. Even though I have put up quite a long playlist of dishes you can serve with rice for your everyday family meals, new requests for more keep popping up in the comments like this one. So today I will show you another simple dish with shrimp and with just a few ingredients you might already have in the pantry. It's called caramelized coconut shrimps or tôm rim nước cốt dừa. The sweet, rich and savory taste of the shrimp gonna come perfect with rice. Let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
For this recipe, you will need 300 grams of shrimp. Use kitchen shears to trim off the tip of the head and the tails. Just fold it in half and cut right behind the eyes. Then also trim the legs and rinse well and drain. Next, bring a pan on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and fry the minced garlic until fragrant for about 10 seconds. And then toss in the shrimps and turn the heat to high to get that red color out of the shrimps really quickly. Then add just a little bit of salt, about a quarter teaspoon, and then toss well. This will help to make the skin more crunchy. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the shrimp will turn orange completely. Now add 2 teaspoons of sugar and toss well for about 2 minutes. Then add about 1/3 cup of coconut milk. Bring the heat down to medium-low and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce is absorbed into that shrimp, making it extra rich and flavorful. This sauce should be added at last step to bring up the amazing, beautiful aroma. If you're not familiar with eating shrimp with the skin on, you can peel it when you eat, but please leave it on while cooking to avoid overcooking the shrimp, making it too rubbery. As simple as that, you have a perfect savory dish for a daily meal with rice. Just serve with a sprinkle of a freshly cracked pepper and some chopped scallion on top, and voila! That garlic and coconut smell, so tempting. And there's one secret tip that everybody will love. That is to add some hot steamed rice into the pan with that sticky sauce and give it a good stir, and then you're gonna have an extra flavorful and rich coconut rice. So good. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you give it a try, please share a photo on Instagram with #HelenRecipes. If you are interested in watching more videos like this to serve with everyday family meals, just click on the playlist here and check out other videos on my channel for more delicious Vietnamese food. Also click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.